Nigerian capital market is set for an irreversible path that embraces the use of best-in-class technology to deliver investing service to all categories of investors. Welcome to another edition of the Nigerian Investor. Last week, we talked about the incidence of unclaimed dividends and what investors need to know. Today, we want to look at the NSE guidelines and online trading platforms. The Nigerian Stock Exchange, in its effort to effectively monitor and regulate the online trading process, which was revolutionized with the launch of SGen trading engine in Q3 2013, has come up with guidelines for the dealing member firms to adhere to strictly. The 7-point guideline, as stated in the circular dated 1st June 2015, reads thus: no dealing member shall intend to set up online trading portal, shall implement and set up SNet connectivity and an order management system that is certified by the exchange. No dealing member shall operate an online trading portal without subjecting the online portal to regular penetration tests, which shall be no twice less than a year with a reputable firm, and shall submit to the exchange a certified penetration testing report from a credible information security company that the online portal platform is secured for usage. The exchange will carry out routine spot checks to validate the penetration testing report on an annual basis, and that any identified issues are rectified on a prompt basis. All trading activities on the portals must be duly monitored and supervised by an authorized clerk employed by the dealing member. Any trading errors or anomalies shall be duly and promptly reported to the exchange in line with the exchange error trade rules. Any dealing member that intends to operate an online trading portal shall carry out a comprehensive Know Your Client requirement or Know Client register through the online trading portal before an online trading account is activated or any transaction is carried out by investors on the portal, and keep the records in that regard for a minimum of 6 years or as may be amended from time to time. Disclose on its trading portal and account opening form the risk associated with using the portal, and shall comply with all exchange rules and regulations, including those on communications, advertisement, and publications. Application used by clients to access the OMS system shall be protected with strong passwords and strong authentication in line with industry standards, optimized for performance and regular security testing, and any other rules that may apply from time to time. It will be recalled that after the launch of SGen, Meritrade Trading Portal from Resident Security was the first to officially hit the market with its trading portal in March 2014, and subsequently other operators followed similar steps. Currently, there are about 12 online trading portals in the market, while the Nigerian Investor crew did a comprehensive review of a few of these portals in its Where to Trade, Who to Trade with video 1 and 2 in 2014. The list of portals are Meritrade, LeadTrader, InvestNow.ng, Morgan Capital eTrade, Banker eTrade, CSL InterSwitch Payment System, AfriInvestor, EasyTrade, CashCow STP, MyTradebook, WSTC eTrader, and APT eTrade. This guideline is necessary as the proliferation of online trading portals requires better regulations and monitoring, and is expected to help secure trading portals for both investors and the market generally. On market news and updates, the following are upcoming AGMs in the market. International Bureau PLC is scheduled to hold its AGM on the 10th of August 2015, and USC Properties on the 1st of September 2015. On corporate actions, International Bureau recommended 25 kobo dividend with closure date set for 25th of July 2015, and USC Properties recommended 50 kobo with closure date set for 31st of August 2015. On announcement in the market, Unity Bank appointed Mr. Tuedo as Executive Director. Unity Bank PLC has notified the Nigerian Stock Exchange that the Central Bank of Nigeria has approved the appointment of Mr. Temisa Tuedo as an Executive Director of the bank. On the Watchdog segment, NSE clarified the effective date of SEC-approved rules on 1 kobo per value. The exchange would like to clarify its stakeholders that a SEC-approved rule of the exchange does not become effective on the exchange has announced the effective date for the rule. For the sake of the clarity, the rule-making process of the exchange is briefly outlined below: preparation and submission of the rule proposal, preparation of the draft rule, exposure of the draft rule to stakeholders and invitation for comment, presentation of the draft rule to the Rules and Administration Committee of the National Council of the Exchange, presentation of the draft rule to the National Council of the Exchange for approval, submission of the draft rule to the Securities and Exchange Commission for approval, and treatment of SEC directives, and determination and notification market of the effective date of SEC-approved rule. After SEC has approved the rule, the exchange determines internally when the rule should become effective, that is, the date from which the exchange will start administering or implementing or enforcing the provisions of the SEC-approved rule. Thus, the effective date is the date on which the market participant must start complying with or observing provisions of the rule and be guided by them. Market participants are reminded that they ought to receive the exchange notification of the effective date of the rule before advising their clients that the rules are effective or are enforced, and before implementing the provision of such rule. That's all we have for you on this edition of the Nigerian Investor. Until I come your way again next week. Bye for now.